The electronic door handle was a technology brought to us by the engineering team, but it could have been in a conventional position. Obviously it has a lot of very functional benefits, but it was the design team that actually thought of the idea of integrating it to the belt line. And of course the benefit of that is it creates a beautiful signature element, but it also integrates into the design of the car, freeing up the door section to be very clean and pure.
Having that experience along with the cinch technology that's available to close the door quietly just begins a great embrace into the vehicle.